This is a used 2013 Toyota Sienna, powered by front-wheel drive, a 3.5-liter, 6-cylinder engine, and a 6-speed automatic transmission. The features include digital audio input, dual temperature controls, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, a spoiler, cruise control, keyless entry, an MP3 player, air conditioning, power windows, power steering. Safety was made a priority with these features: side airbags, second and third row head airbags, brake assist, traction control, stability control, a passenger airbag, low tire pressure warning, front ventilated disc brakes, daytime running lights, anti-lock brakes. Rest easy knowing this vehicle comes with a Carfax Vehicle History Report from Carfax, the most trusted provider of vehicle history information. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.